Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on substitution. We saw in an earlier lesson that pronumerals take the place of numerals or numbers. We will often be given an algebraic expression with pronumerals in it. When we are given a numerical value for each pronumeral, we substitute the given numbers to find a value for the algebraic expression. Let's look at some examples. Evaluate each algebraic expression given the following values for each pronumeral. So here we have 6 pronumerals, now each have a value. So the first expression is AB plus C. Now each of the pronumerals has a numerical value. So AB plus C will be 3 times 5 plus 8. All I've done is substituted the values for A, B and C. 3 5s are 15 plus 8. Remember our rule, we do multiplication first. Have to do the multiplication first, so 3 5s are 15 plus 8. 15 plus 8 is 23. 2m plus 3n is 2 times 10 plus 3 times 12. Must do the multiplication first. 2 10s are 20, 3 12s are 36. 20 plus 36 is 56. BC divided by m. BC is 5 times 8 divided by 10. We work from left to right. 5 8s are 40. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 3p minus 4b, that's 3 times 15 minus 4 times 5. 3 15s are 45 and 4 5s are 20. 45 minus 20 is 25. I've just repeated the values here so we don't have to keep going back to the other slide, so we can see them easily. 5n minus 2c minus a squared, that's 5 times 12 minus 2 times 8 minus a squared. Now, sorry, a squared, a is 3. Okay, so I didn't put the 3 in there, but that's fine because 3 squared is 9. Okay, so it's 60, so 5 12s are 60, 2 times 8 is 16, and 3 squared is 9. So 60 minus 16 minus 9, that gives us 35. M cubed minus B cubed minus A cubed, that's 10 cubed minus 5 cubed minus 3 cubed. 10 cubes 1,000, 5 cubed is 125, and 3 cubed is 27. So that's 1,000 minus 25, minus 125 minus 27. So if we do that, we take our time to do that subtraction, we get 848. Minus b squared, now this is very, very tricky. We have to really know what's going on here. The rule here is that even though there's a minus sign there, the only thing that's squared is the b. That's why, to make it easy so you can understand it, I have placed those in grouping symbols or brackets, and the minus is outside because that's not squared. So that's actually minus. Now b, you see b there, b is 5. 5 squared is 25, so that's minus with a 25 there, which is minus 25. Now this is different again. This is minus b all squared, so everything is squared. In other words, if b is 5, that's minus 5 all squared. Minus 5 all squared, and we know that minus 5 by minus 5 is plus 25. Half c squared minus 2p. Now that's a half times 8 squared minus 2 times 15. That's a half times 64 minus 30, because 2 15s are 30. Half of 64 is 32. 32 minus 30 is 2. So this video has introduced us to the idea of substitution, where we are given an algebraic expression. We're also given some pronumerals with some values, and we substitute the values into the algebraic expression and find a value for the pronumeral.